If you're like most contractors, your company's success relies on experienced and reliable mechanics to service, repair, and maintain your surface preparation equipment. Down equipment not only represents lost opportunities, but it also places a burden on your ability to bid, begin, and complete projects in a timely and profitable manner. By Manufacturers Direct, in conjunction with Substrate Technology, have partnered to launch an equipment care division specific to the needs of our industry. A division that was created to relieve the anxiety associated with the fear of arriving at a job site with either underperforming, damaged, or flat-out broken equipment. We are offering confidence, the confidence of knowing your fleet is in top operating condition and ready to make you money. Utilizing their combined decades of experience, Substrate Technology and By Manufacturers Direct manufacturing and service professionals are expanding their expertise to include a full range of surface preparation equipment. Planetary grinders, direct drive grinders, shot blasters, and dust collection of all makes and models are only a few of the equipment types our mechanics have experienced servicing and maintaining. Get the most out of your investment by ensuring it's kept in optimal condition. To learn more or to schedule an estimate, please contact your By Manufacturers Direct customer service representative.